there, guys. Bit of a weird one. So we're going traveling, and I'm usually the tech kind of guy, and got a weight scale to weigh our stuff. So I'm gonna check it out, see if it needs any repairing or any stuff. Can go see if I can show it to you. Let's move my phone out the way. Here, it's pretty big. Ah, here it is. It's an Amazon package. So it's pretty, really big. And man, this is kind of big. And right here comes the actual weight scale. Here it is. Let you guys get the first look. Ignore the lighting, and it's a Smart Scale C1, and it uses Bluetooth. Why would it use Bluetooth? That doesn't make any sense. Anyway, let's move that packaging out the way. Yeah. All right. Goodness me, I have a lot of shit here. No. Oh shit. I think I broke something. Doesn't matter. Alright, let's move you up. There. Shit lighting, I know. Let me open up my curtain. Just wait a minute. Took under a minute, so I didn't technically waste your time. Let's move all this shit out. Wait, yeah. Alright, so here it is. Might need to get some other stuff. Like a screwdriver. Probably a screwdriver and scissors. Packaging, no. None of that stuff needed, but a brain is needed. Okay. Oh my goodness. One of those ones. Don't have anything sharp here, do I? Yep, I have a Swiss knife that can help me. It has a pair of scissors, but I don't really use them. Alright. This is why I have two Swiss knives, just for this stuff. Open up there. Wait. Shit, I bent this. Oh my. Yep. Alright. Put it. Yep. Alright, got it. Let's close that. So, how about you get injured? When you have a Swiss knife, you never put your finger there, or else it's gonna do that, and you're gonna be in tears, and it's gonna be bleeding. Wait, okay. So here are. Wait, let me put this more down, actually. Yep. So here it is. Here we pull this down, actually, extra flap. Oh my, I just want to get this out so badly. Alright, whatever it says on the packaging, later. Oh, I can see plastic. Alright, I forgot about this. Just give me some time. Ah, finally. Not so long. Wait, it's like 15 seconds later. Alright, here we are. Here we have it. Very interesting layout, so. Alright, ooh, very fancy there. And opens like that. not bad. So this is kind of big. Here we have it. Here we have a weight scale and something in Spanish. Warning: plastic bags can be dangerous. To avoid danger or suffocating, keep this bag from babies and children. You heard nothing and you saw nothing. Carrying on. So, there we go. And everything else, the packaging looks good. Who taped? Who? Oh my days. Oh shit. Oh shit. There's two layers to this. There's ah. You flip and stay down there. Oh my. Two bloody layers of packaging. Okay, let's just move this out the way, cause this is taking up a lot of space here. All right, here it is. It's a Eufy, whatever the hell that is. I got I got that scale. Yep. Anyway, this is fairly simple stuff. Gordon Ramsay. Idiot sandwich. Now we got idiot child. The greatest tech shit that has ever entered my room is not this for sure. I don't know what to. Oh, okay, okay, we got something. This thing actually needs batteries. Hmm. What else would I think it would run on? I don't know. Yeah, man. Come on. I made a little hole. Little hole. Come on. Come on. Go. Go. Ah. Ah. Come on. Yes. I got the three. Go. Stupid. Please don't cut me. Okay. I got that done. I think we have to flip this. Heads up, there is no manual. I think. Nope, there is. Speaking of a devil. Alright, here we are. Safety information, smart scale 1, T1. Okay. Read all instructions before using the device. Keep the manual for future reference. I want to check my weights. I don't. Oh my goodness. Notice I don't need a no. Oh my. To prevent slipping. Where? How would you slip on this? God, I'll step on the device after. I swear, it says to prevent slipping. Do not step on the device after bathing and showering. Who would do that? Why? Why would you do that in the first place? This device should not be used when it is. Yeah, this is just boring stuff. The device is powered by 3 AA batteries. Do not. They say do not attempt to recharge non-rechargeable batteries. They're, they're rechargeable batteries? I don't know. I live under a rock, I think. Do not mix and use different types of batteries together. Lithium. It says ion. I'm serious. It says ION. ION. That doesn't make any sense. Oh my days. Lion. That says iron, not lion. And nickel metal hydride batteries. This isn't. really helping. I'm not in Australia nor New Zealand. Why? Australia and New Zealand warranty. What? What special accommodation do they get? IC statement, RF warning statement, company name, address. Should I say the address? Nah. GB Declaration of Oh my days, just this isn't helping. This I it's showing me of a lawsuit. I don't what this isn't a manual, this customer service. It what? Last two pages are useless. Customer service. This isn't a manual. This didn't tell me anything of how to work this out. This didn't tell me shit. This isn't a manual. This is this is bullshit. That's what it is. Alright, hey, stay there. So apparently it has 15 measurements. I did not know there were that many. It measures weight, body fat, BMI, whatever that is, and muscle mass, and 11 more. Can anybody tell me what BMI is? I I honestly don't know what BMI is. It yeah, I'm not even gonna question this. You get basically a non-manualable thing, non-manual manual. So unit you press that. I don't know what. Oh, okay. Found where the batteries go. Okay, let's put the batteries inside here. Eh, Alright. Alright, there we go. We have it inside there. Get in there, you Alright. Yes. We got it working. Where do you get 1 kilo? It's a It's apparently using Bluetooth. Let me try my own weight on. Apparently gravity weighs 1 kilogram. I weigh 40 and this thing says 40. Alright, let me stand right up. Wait. 42, 43. I weigh 40. It's saying I weigh 43. Little shit. Alright, so it's roughly accurate. Just don't put with 30 feet. Alright. And it just switched off. I don't know how you switch this thing on. Okay, there's ST, I think that's stones. I think the British measure it. Alright, so that's a tutorial of how to use a Eufy by Anchor Smart Scale C1. Or whatever that is. Whatever this is. Do not read the manual because it does not help you and you're gonna get a lot of plastic at overall it's pretty good. Actually it works. And I don't know how much it was because I don't pay for it. I don't pay for anything. Yay. Wait, let me see how much where it is. This doesn't even show the bloody price. Made in China, that's not a surprise. And designed for a whole family. Why would you put a whole family on a scale? It's stupid. Okay, so that's it. That's all I have to say about this. It's kind of worth your money. And not the flipping wire. Nope, nope. Get out the way. Sorry, not the wire. Pretty good. Like a 8 out of 10. The manual just doesn't work. You have to figure it out yourself. And I don't know how long it lasts. If it's cheap, probably like 10 minutes or 5. And it actually measures your weight, so consider purchasing it if you actually really care about your weight. Don't be like a diabito, please. Goodbye.